Alright guys, working on the old dump truck again today. And the original horn here, it's not working at all. So what we did is we got a nice big old air horn, and this thing sounds exactly like a dump truck should sound. Sound nice, burp, burp, you know, good sound to it. Kind of a big rig dump truck sound. And then this is the wiring they send, which we were just testing out some stuff, but it's got an ice cube relay there. Everything's hooked up. So you've got, this wire's your positive, and then the ground wire just plugs directly on here. So the positive will hook to the other terminal here, and it says positive, negative on there, so you can't screw that up too much. And then the blue and the white wires connect to the original horn wire. So there is a relay usually that runs the horn. So that relay essentially is just gonna fire this relay and run power directly from the battery, right, to the horn. Or if you don't have that, you can just wire directly from this to a switch that will just make these go from another power source. You connect it in and make them bump over. So you can do that too. But this is the easiest way to do it, especially since we already have the wiring here. So we're just gonna mount it up on the center fender. All right guys, we got the hole drill for this. Got it mounted, just ran the negative wire there, positive wire over, and then we'll connect these wires in and then kind of tuck this positive wire out of the way as much as possible. And already went and drilled the holes for the actual horn. And now we're about to start mounting it down. All right guys, the horn is mounted, got all the bolts through. One thing I was gonna tell you is on these wires right here, they actually came with this big black cover on here where they slip through, and I just pushed down on them and popped the wires out because those wires did not want to fit into this old school housing with that big black thing on there. So did pop those off to fit these in. But I think that's gonna work. Looks pretty good. All right guys, everything's mounted, wired, got this wire, taped that up. Everything's hooked up. Not the prettiest, but it works for the length that it needed to be. So now I'm gonna try the horn. So let's do that. Switch on. Wow, that's great. Here you go, Pop, you try it. Oh gosh, that is a horn. Let's see what it sounds like with the hood closed. Now hit it. Oh, still plenty of sound with the hood closed. That sounds like a dump truck horn there. Sounds like a big rig coming down through here. Nice. You like that horn, Jackson? Are you picking your nose? So one other thing that we're doing is we've pulled out the original seat belts here, but there's only two of them. There's 3 seats, not one for the middle. So here they are back here. We're gonna unbolt these and then add in a middle seat belt. This is just a plain Jane seat belt that we just had in the shop. So we're gonna bolt it up so that little man can have a seat in the middle. We can get a booster in there and strap him down, and that should work. Now we've got it up far enough to get to it. So there we go. HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com.